Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Monday the 17th of July. In this video I'm going to look at two stocks, one from the UK, Conviviality. They've come out with some good figures today and the share price is moving up. And I'll also look at the US stock NFLX. They've got figures coming out later in the week. Strange thing about these charts is they actually look very similar. They're both breaking to the upside near all-time highs. Maybe some consolidation may be expected in the short term, but I expect both of them to push into new high ground very soon given the upside momentum. So starting with Conviviality, and you can see that we've had a very strong move up on the figures today. In fact, it's moved up about 3p just in the last 15 minutes as I've been preparing the video. You can see that we're having a push up through the moving averages. The 20 and 50 both moving upwards. They will be creating a golden bullish cross over the next couple of days. You can see that we've confirmed this consolidation as a flag. It is triangular in shape, so it definitely was a flag. We've broken to the upside, and really one would expect a break into new high ground above the 343 level very shortly. On the RSI, that you can see that we've got positive upside momentum. Perhaps also we had a non-confirmation around this level, a double, potentially double bottom as well. So that was good. RSI presently 67.9. The MACD as well just crossed in a bullish formation and is looking good. Short term, maybe just getting a slightly overextended away from the moving averages. So a consolidation could be expected, drift off to 330, let that golden cross be created, and then we'll get the push up into new high ground. Looking at the weekly, and as I said, this was confirmed as a flag. We've broken to the upside. Here, the RSI and MACD actually slightly tracking down still because of the consolidation, but they'll soon start to move back upwards. On the 4 hour, sorry, TradingView haven't given me a full history on this, so very difficult to assess. But you can see that we've had a tremendous move this morning, but I would expect some consolidation, get back towards these moving averages and a drift off maybe towards the 330 level. Looking at the support resistances on Conviviality, there's only the resistance at the previous high, 343.48, nothing above there, with the supports coming in at the 50-day 317.26 and the 20-day 313.96. But remember, they're both moving upwards, and that 20-day will move above the 50-day in the not too distant future. Moving on to NFLX. Here you can see that they've got earnings coming out later in the week. It's had a good move over the last week. This has broken the resistance from the downtrend in 20-day, and we're now back above the 50-day moving average. And you can see that it dramatically increased the RSI back above 50, now at 61.54, and indicated a solid upside momentum, which was confirmed as the MACD also flashed a buy signal. On the weekly, you can see that we got support from the 20-week moving average before we had this move up, and really the bullish trend remains in place. Again, like Conviviality, the recent consolidation now being confirmed as a flag, and really one would expect a move into new high ground very, very soon. Again, on the weekly, the RSI and the MACD still indicative of the downtrend that was on the flag. On the 4 hour picture, Here you can see that again the moving averages are going to be moving up. It'd be quite interesting to see when the 20 crosses the 50, if the 50's turned round. Probably not. That would be a bonus if that happened. Again, we're slightly extended away from the moving averages, but if there is a consolidation, that will prove to be short term ahead of the move into the new high ground. And here you can see the very solid upside momentum as the RSI is 69.16 and the MACD are very positive, above zero, and the short term above the long term, indicating upside momentum. On the support resistances for Netflix, just that one resistance at 166.87, and then again, like Conviviality, the support's coming in at the 50-day and 20-day, 156.72, 153.12, and that 20-day getting ever closer to the 50. So that's been TA for traders, having a look at Conviviality in the UK, Netflix in the US. I hope you found this video of interest. If you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, do subscribe. You'll then get email alerts when I come out with my daily videos. Please remember, these videos are for information only and are my opinions, and they're not meant as an investment recommendation. Thank you.